Hello everyone, como es, Sagafet? It's Jasmine here. Thank you so much for coming through today. We got some good things in store for you today. Yes ma'am, yes sir, yes sis. Today is all about the brows. I didn't get any requests to do this. I just felt like doing it again, and I just feel like it bears repeating. Like, the eyebrows are just like the windows to your eyes, you know? It frames your face all nice and stuff, and I want to show you guys how I do my eyebrows, and hopefully you're able to learn something from this, because I feel like my eyebrow game has just gotten so good. If you want to see more videos like this, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe because I make videos twice a week. And without further ado, let's get it. So for my brows, I use just 3 main products, and I always like to go in with an eyebrow pencil just to draw out the shape of my eye. The brow product I like to use is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is affordable, it's cruelty-free, all that jazz. It is bomb. First thing I do is brush the brows upwards, or should I say my lack of brows. Now I take the other side of the brow pencil and I start at the bottom. This works best when your face isn't oily. And so I actually put some setting powder on the brows before using my brow product. Cool? Cool. Now I'll be taking the brow powder of choice for me, which is the Tarte brow powder. This is in black brown. And here is my angled eyebrow brush that I like to use when I go in with my powder. I always start from the back. And I haven't gotten a wax. I haven't gotten an eyebrow wax in so long. I mean, to me, I feel like I really don't need it. I can just create my own shape. And it's been working out just fine. All right. See the difference? Because I can. And I just basically stay within the lines. Okay, we're not done yet. We're not done yet, sis. Okay. Yeah, so I like to brush out the front a little bit, because sometimes it can be really, really like dark. And I love that gradual color change instead of that one note color. And I just keep brushing my hairs up and really just seeing what looks the most natural to me. And I actually like it like that. I like it like that. I like it like that. I like it like that. Next up is concealer. I'm taking, surprise, surprise, the Born This Way concealer. This is in Chestnut, and I'm only going underneath the brows. It's kind of like a highlight type thing. I put a little bit on the back of my hand like this. And then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer brush, which is nearing the end of its life. But I really like it because of the shape. It's like round and it's flat, and it really gets into the bottom area. And I like to start from the middle. This helps to just like clean up under here. And I no longer put concealer above the brows anymore because that halo eye is no joke. Okay. This is the eyebrow with concealer. This is the one without concealer. It really just makes it look a bit more polished, you know? I'm thinking about doing some Halloween looks this year. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? Is it not? And what should I even do? You can stop right here, but what I like to do, which is completely optional, is use an eyebrow gel just to make sure the brows stay in place all day. I have an oily face and I sometimes feel like my eyebrows don't stay as much, but with the eyebrow gel, it just really keeps it up. And I love the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel for this. Perfect. And I just take that and brush it up and out. Epi, that's it. All right, that is all for this video today. It was simple, right? Hopefully, if you found this informative, let me know how you step up your makeup game. Let me know on Instagram, tag me in your Insta stories, you know, all that good stuff. I'll be sure to leave my Insta down below for you. And that is pretty much it. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.